definitely take advantage of these topics of Speaking Part 1 if you wish to score a Band 7 in your IELTS speaking test. Number 1. Childhood. Number 2. Leisure activities. Number 3. Family. Number 4. Shopping. Number 5. Daily routine. And finally, number 6. Entertainment. Give your best in Speaking Part 1 as this is the chance to break the ice with the examiner and give them an idea of your ability to communicate. Learn the best strategies with Band 9 IELTS and follow us for more.